The world of luxury SUVs is not just about transportation anymore. Today, a true luxury vehicle represents identity, success, innovation, and an experience that begins before the engine even starts. And among all the premium SUVs that have entered the market, only a few have created a legacy. Powerful enough to become an icon, the Range Rover is one of those rare vehicles. For decades, it has stood as a symbol of luxury, capability, and timeless design. It has been chosen by people who expect more than just performance from their vehicles. They expect presence. They expect comfort. They expect something that feels special every single time they open the door. Now, the next chapter begins with the new 2026 Range Rover A vehicle, designed to continue a legendary story while bringing a new level of refinement, technology, and sophistication to the luxury SUV segment. At first glance, it may look familiar, but the deeper you look, the more you discover. Every line, every surface, and every detail has been carefully developed to create a vehicle that feels modern, exclusive, and unmistakably Range Rover. This is not just an SUV built to compete. This is an SUV built to define a standard. Today, we are taking a complete first look at the 2026 Range Rover and exploring its breathtaking exterior design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, performance, and the details that make this vehicle one of the most desirable luxury SUVs in the world. But before we talk about the features, there is something important to understand about the Range Rover philosophy. The goal was never simply to create the biggest or the most aggressive SUV. The goal was to create balance, a perfect combination between elegance and strength, a vehicle that can arrive at a luxury event and look completely natural, but also handle demanding environments with confidence. That balance is what has made a Range Rover different from many other SUVs. The moment this vehicle appears on the road, it creates a unique impression. It does not need excessive styling or unnecessary elements to attract attention. Instead, it uses confidence, simplicity, and sophisticated design to create a powerful presence. The exterior immediately communicates luxury. The front design showcases a modern interpretation of the Range Rover identity, with a clean and premium appearance that reflects precision engineering. The lighting elements create a distinctive signature, making the SUV recognizable even from a distance. Every detail has been created with purpose. The designers focused on creating a shape that feels elegant today, but remains timeless for years to come. Moving along the side profile, the smooth body lines create a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. The proportions are carefully balanced, giving the SUV a strong road presence without losing its premium character. The large wheels, refined surfaces, and confident stance all work together to create an appearance that feels expensive and exclusive. But the real story begins when you move inside, because the interior is where the Range Rover experience truly comes alive. Opening the door feels like entering a completely different world. The cabin is designed around one simple idea: comfort without compromise. Every element creates a feeling of calmness, quality, and luxury. The materials, the layout, the technology, and the craftsmanship come together to create an environment that feels more like a private lounge than a traditional SUV interior. The driver is surrounded by modern technology while still enjoying a clean and elegant design. Passengers experience a spacious environment created for long journeys, relaxation, and premium comfort. This is where Range Rover understands something important. Luxury is not only about what people see, luxury is about what people feel. It is the feeling when the door closes and outside noise disappears. It is the feeling of sitting in a cabin where every detail has been designed around your experience. And this emotional connection is one of the biggest reasons why Range Rover has remained one of the most respected names in the luxury SUV world. But there is still much more to discover, because behind this beautiful design is a combination of advanced technology, intelligent systems, and engineering that takes the driving experience to another level. In the next part, we will explore the futuristic technology, premium features, and the hidden details that make the 2026 Range Rover a true luxury masterpiece. The true definition of luxury is not only found in what you can see, it is found in the details you experience. And this is exactly where the 2026 Range Rover continues to separate itself from ordinary SUVs after exploring the exterior presence and the handcrafted interior atmosphere. It is time to look deeper into the technology and innovation that transform this luxury SUV into a modern masterpiece, because in today's automotive world, luxury is no longer just about premium materials and beautiful design. A modern luxury vehicle must be intelligent. It must understand the driver. It must provide comfort, confidence, and convenience in every moment. And this is where the 2026 Range Rover creates a completely different experience. Inside the cabin, technology has been designed to feel natural instead of overwhelming the driver with complicated systems. Everything is focused on simplicity, accessibility, and a premium user experience. The digital displays, intelligent controls, and connected features create an environment where